Here are the best things to do in Geneva, Switzerland. Number 14. Old Town Geneva. Old Town Geneva is the perfect starting point to explore this captivating city. Step into the charming labyrinth of cobblestone streets that make up Switzerland's largest historical city, and you'll be enchanted by its appeal. Begin by admiring the grandeur of SaintPierre Cathedral, an iconic landmark that stands as a pivot of the Reformation era. Delve deeper into Geneva's rich history by visiting fascinating attractions like the International Museum of the Reformation and the Geneva Museum of Art and History. As you explore further, you'll also encounter the Palace of Nations, a symbol of Geneva's long tradition of diplomacy. Before you leave, make sure to visit Promenade de la Treya, famous for the world's longest wooden bench offering picturesque views. Number 13. Geneva Water Fountain. The Geneva Water Fountain is an absolute gem you simply can't miss when in Geneva. As one of the world's tallest fountains, this marvel stands tall, reaching an impressive 450 feet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that will leave you in awe. As you approach the water jet, as it's called in French, the powerful spray of water will captivate your senses and you'll feel the sheer force of its presence. This iconic fountain also serves as a symbol of Geneva's pride and heritage, making it a significant backdrop for your travel memories. Number 12. United Nations Building. If you yearn to delve into the world of diplomacy, the United Nations building awaits your exploration. As an architectural marvel and the United Nations headquarters in Geneva, it exudes a unique appeal that will capture your attention. To make the most of your visit, take a guided tour available in over 15 languages. Learn about the pivotal role it plays on the international stage, promoting peace and cooperation among nations. The human rights and alliance of civilizations exhibits within this building also stand as beacons of knowledge, offering you a deeper understanding of global affairs and international relations. Number 11. Mont Salève Cable Car. For a thrilling adventure, the Mont Salève Cable Car is an absolute must-do. Prepare yourself for jaw-dropping views and an unforgettable outdoor experience as you soar to an altitude of 3,600 feet in just 5 minutes. The panoramic scenery that awaits you at the top is simply awe-inspiring, making the cable car ride an irresistible attraction. Once you reach the top station, you'll be amazed to find small hiking trails that lead to even more picturesque vistas. Nature enthusiasts and sports lovers will be delighted to be here, with a wide range of activities to choose from. Whether it's hiking, paragliding, or simply enjoying the majestic landscape, Mont Salève offers an adventure for everyone. Number 10. Bon de Paki. Looking for a fantastic place for relaxation? Look no further than Bon de Paki, a haven for anyone seeking pampering. Situated near Paki, this man-made peninsula boasts awesome views of Lake Geneva, ensuring you're enchanted throughout your visit. Embrace a plethora of appealing activities suitable for every season. In summer, the place transforms into a lively swimming spot, inviting you to take refreshing dips and bask in the sun's warm embrace. Surrender to the tranquil waters and feel all your worries drift away. Moreover, try to savor delightful cocktails and delectable small plates at their inviting outdoor dining venues. Treat yourself to exquisite cuisine while enjoying the gripping scenery around you. Number 9. Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. Learn about the inspiring history and exceptional humanitarian efforts of the International Red Cross and Red Crescent at their renowned museum. Take in the heartwarming stories of courage and compassion, drawing attention to the significance of international humanitarian work. The museum's eloquent exhibitions shed light on the remarkable journey of this global movement spanning decades of altruistic endeavors. While you're there, delve into the compelling tales of those whose lives have been touched by this humanitarian organization, fostering a deeper appreciation for the power of empathy and solidarity. And gain valuable insights into pressing human rights issues, igniting a desire to contribute positivity to our interconnected world. Number 8. Lake Geneva Boat Cruise. Enhance your Geneva adventure by indulging in the captivating appeal of taking a boat cruise on the majestic Lake Geneva. The crystal clear waters and awe-inspiring views promise an unforgettable experience you simply can't miss. This 1-hour excursion treats you to lovely sights like Mont Blanc, the United Nations building, and the charming shores of Lake Geneva. This lake also offers a myriad of options to suit your preferences. From leisurely pleasure boats to delightful lunch and dinner cruises, you're spoiled for choice. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Geneva experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. CERN, home to the largest particle physics laboratory in the world. CERN offers an unparalleled opportunity to absorb the world of particle physics. The appeal of CERN lies in the chance to witness groundbreaking scientific experiments and discoveries firsthand. As you explore the exhibits, you'll gain a deeper understanding of our universe and the fundamental building blocks of matter. During the visit, learn about particle accelerators, marvel at the power of superconducting magnets, and discover the mysteries of the elusive Higgs boson, often referred to as the God particle. You can also try guided tours as they provide an insider's perspective, enabling you to grasp the complexities of this cutting-edge field and the tireless efforts of scientists unraveling the universe's secrets. Number 6. Reformation Wall. If you are into history, especially the Protestant Reformation, touring the Reformation Wall is highly recommended. This monumental structure commemorates Geneva's vital role as the center of Calvinism during the 16th century. The historical wall showcases statues and inscriptions dedicated to 4 key figures of the Reformation: John Calvin, William Farel, Theodore Beza, and John Knox. Stand very close to these lovely sculptures and you will have a deeper understanding of their significant contributions to the Protestant movement. While there, take the time to explore the serene surroundings of the park, providing the perfect setting for relaxation. Number 5. Carouge. Go on a delightful journey to Carouge, the enchanting Greenwich village of Geneva, and absorb its irresistible charm. This vibrant area offers a refreshing break from the usual tourist spots, making it an ideal destination for those seeking an exceptional experience. Wander through Carouge's quaint streets and uncover a treasure trove of artistry. The neighborhood is brimming with talented artisans and craftsmen showcasing their exquisite creations in adorable boutiques, studios, and galleries. From mesmerizing handcrafted jewelry to captivating one-of-a-kind artwork, Carouge also boasts a diverse culinary scene that will tantalize your taste buds. Explore an array of restaurants offering delectable cuisines from around the world. Number 4. Geneva's English Garden. Take a stroll through the entrancing English Garden and discover the delights it has to offer. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple seeking a romantic escapade, or a family in search of a peaceful outing, the experience here is unmatched. One of the highlights of this serene place is the iconic flower clock, a masterpiece created entirely from flowers and plants, serving as a reminder of Geneva's watchmaking expertise. As you meander through the garden, notice the seasonal changes of the largest flower clock in the world, which underwent a remarkable transformation in 1955. If you're seeking tranquility, find a cozy spot to relax and unwind while basking in the natural beauty of the garden. Number 3. Patek Philippe Museum. Patek Philippe Museum is an absolute treat for anyone interested in luxury watchmaking and the incredible craftsmanship behind those prestigious timepieces. It boasts a mind-blowing collection that spans over 5 centuries of watchmaking history. From 16th century wonders to modern-day masterpieces, you'll be amazed by the variety and artistry on display. Once you step inside, you'll be engrossed by the rare and intricate watches that have been a part of defining craftsmanship throughout the ages. Even if you're not a hardcore watch collector, you'll still find yourself in awe of the beauty and precision behind these timepieces. Number 2. Towers of SaintPierre. If there is any adventure you shouldn't miss, it's definitely climbing the towers of SaintPierre Cathedral. This magnificent cathedral offers you a thrilling chance to ascend its 2 tall towers and witness sweeping views of the entire city and Geneva Lake. The climb may be a bit challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. As you begin your ascent up the spiral staircase, the anticipation builds, and with each step, the excitement grows. At the top, a 360-degree panorama awaits, allowing you to feast your eyes on the irresistible beauty of Geneva from above. You'll have a chance to gaze upon the iconic water jet landmark, standing proudly amidst the shimmering waters of the lake. Number 1. Treya Promenade. Go for a more delightful experience at Treya Promenade by relishing the unique chance to sit on the world's longest wooden bench, the Montreux de la Treya. This architectural marvel, with its 413 feet length and 100 expertly crafted wooden boards, is a fantastic spot worth exploring. Dating back to 1767, this historical gem has withstood the test of time and continues to allure visitors from all corners of the globe. This location also offers beautiful views of the Parc des Bastions Place Neuve. As you take a seat on this remarkable piece of history, you will be enthralled by the picturesque surroundings that make Geneva a truly captivating destination. Click here for more things to do in Switzerland.